Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Facebook application. Then tap on the hamburger icon. Tap on Settings icon. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Scroll down until you find Personal Details. Tap on it. There you can find Account Ownership and Control. Tap on that option. Then select Deactivation or Deletion. Select the account that you want to temporarily deactivate. Now select Deactivate Account option. Once you are done, tap on the Continue button. For your security, enter your password to continue. Then tap on the Continue button. Select the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Once you are done, scroll down and tap on Continue button. You can reactivate your account through Account Center or by logging into your Facebook account. You can automatically reactivate your Facebook account by clicking this down drop button and select after how many days you want to reactivate your Facebook account. Once you're done, tap on the Continue button. Go through the information first, and if you're sure, tap on Deactivate My Account button. And this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.